14 ways to make your friends happy. Friends play an important role in our lives, providing support, laughter, and companionship. Friendships are the most valuable thing in this life. However, sometimes we get caught up in our own lives and forget to show our friends how much they mean to us. To make your friends happy and strengthen your bond, there are many things you can do. From showing your appreciation to being there for them during tough times, there are many simple yet powerful ways to make your friends feel valued and loved. In this video, we will discuss some tips in detail to help you make your friends happy. Show your appreciation. You must show your friend that you appreciate him at every occasion and value this friendship. You can do this by simply saying thank you when they do something nice for you. Tell your friend that how much you enjoy by spending time with him. You can also show your appreciation through small gestures like sending a thoughtful text message or leaving a note for him. Listen to your friend. One of the best ways to make your friends happy is to simply listen to them. Give your friend your full attention and show empathy when they talk to you. Show that you care about what they have to say and are interested in their lives. Make time for friends. Another way to make your friends happy is by spending time with them. Plan activities together, even if it's just for a quick coffee or lunch date. If you live far away, schedule a regular phone or use social media to stay connected. Offer support. Being there for your friend during tough times is an important tip to make your friendship strong and make your friend happy. Offer to help your friend in any way you can, whether it's by listening to him or by helping him with practical tasks. You can also offer to accompany him to appointments or events to provide moral support. Do something special for them. Surprising your friend with a thoughtful gesture is a great way to show that you care about him. Small, personalized gestures can go a long way in making someone feel happy. Make them laugh. Making your friends laugh is one of the finest ways to make them happy. Laughter is a great way to bond with your friends and boost your mood. You must find ways to have fun together, whether it's watching a funny movie, playing a silly game, or simply telling jokes. Laughter is an instant mood booster and can help you both feel more connected. Be honest. Honesty is an integral part of any healthy relationship. Be truthful with your friend, even if it's uncomfortable. If you disagree with your friend in any matter, express your concerns in a friendly way. Being honest will build trust and strengthen your friendship.